Communication is everywhere. Take a look at our friend Logan here. Logan is the ultimate Clarkie. Big fish, little pond describes this guy. He loves that he knows everyone on campus and can say hi to every person he passes. Logan can't emphasize enough the value of speech and writing and the amazingness of his professors. He learned to write accurately and concisely with a critical eye. Logan learned to be good at speaking in front of a group as well as how to present himself and be self-aware, which he knows will help him in his career as a physical therapist. He is better prepared to help his future patients and to educate them on how to help themselves. He can't wait to graduate and put his skill set to use. What advice would he give to an incoming freshman? Don't drop the cup at lunch. Because if you do, you'll be rewarded, or shall we say shamed, with a thunderous round of applause. But seriously, get involved. Clarke offers a small community atmosphere where you can be a part of as many things as you want. Communication is the world around us. It's how we interact with each other and live and work in society. Don't be afraid to speak up in class. You can do it, and at Clarke, you'll have the support to succeed.